Hello, I'm Carolyn Herbert from the Finance News Network, and joining me from soon-to-be-listed biotechnology company Sienna Cancer Diagnostics is CEO Matthew Hoskin. Matthew, welcome to FNN.
Thanks, Carolyn.
Now, can you start by giving us an introduction to Sienna Cancer Diagnostics?
Sure. So Sienna Cancer Diagnostics is a Melbourne-based biotechnology company focused on developing and commercialising novel diagnostic tests in the application of cancer.
And now to your lead product. How does it work and what's been the market response?
Our first product is for the detection of the biomarker telomerase, which has application in assisting urine cytology to assist in the diagnosis of bladder cancer. We've had the product registered with regulatory authorities in some of the main regions of the world. We've now commercialised the product and we've had very good uptake. We've had at least one laboratory that has been using the test for a significant period of time now. And we now have a distribution partner in the United States that is now taking that product to the rest of the market.
And what about its application to other cancers?
Telomerase is quite a remarkable biomarker. It was actually the subject of a Nobel Prize in 2009 for in physiology and medicine. And the biomarker is recognised as being present in about 85% of human cancers. Our first focus has been in the application of bladder cancer. However, we will be investigating its use in many other cancer types in the hope that it can also have a role in assisting in those cancer types.
Very good. So how much longer do you think it will take for more pathology practices to adopt the test?
Well, already our distribution partner in the United States, who are a very capable pathology diagnostic distribution company, they are out there, they are selling the test to pathology laboratories in the United States. There are over 2,000 pathology labs in the United States, and our distribution partner there has very good reach to access all of those labs, and they are already starting to evaluate it and adopt the test.
And Matthew, what's the near-term potential to add new products?
So to add new products, the regulatory filing that we have for the product is available to apply to other types of samples. The reimbursement that we have in the United States is also applicable to other samples. So to add additional applications, it's really about our R&D team really defining the protocol for how to treat those samples and how to interpret the results, develop some additional data with our external clinical partners, and then those additional applications will be able to be rolled out into the market through our distribution partners.
And turning to your IPO now, how much are you looking to raise and where are the funds going?
So we'd like to raise a maximum of $6 million that will be really focused in four main areas. The first is driving short-term revenue growth through the areas where we are already registered, we already have reimbursement, we already have distribution partners to take it to market. The United States is the key region for that focus, so helping our distribution partner there to really drive uptake in the market is key. We will also be looking to expand geographically. Same product, same application, but into all of the other countries. So that's screening and finding distribution partners, bringing them on board and training them to add more countries. Next, our R&D team will be focused on expanding the applications of the existing technology. And then lastly, we'll look to bring in additional technologies to help feed the Sienna pipeline for the mid to long-term growth.
And Matthew, turning to financials now, can you provide us with a snapshot of the company's current position?
So unlike a lot of other biotechs in the space, Sienna's in the unique position of already having generated revenues. So we're already receiving roughly $500,000 from customer revenues and are now looking to really expand on that and take our growth to the next level.
And finally, Matthew, what's your focus for the next 12 months and your long-term ambition for Sienna?
So in the short term, we really want to focus on capitalising in those markets where we have product registered, we have reimbursement, we have channels to market. So driving the sales and marketing efforts and really maximising our revenue in the short term. We want to get through to being a profitable company and generating positive cash flow as soon as possible, and then use those profits to continue to drive growth for the company, add those expanded applications for the existing product, as well as add new technologies and really create value for our shareholders.
Matthew Hoskin, thanks for the introduction and good luck with the IPO.
Thank you, Carolyn.